care about your health. And I know you need your water. Always. Love you. Sa tubig yan. Tubig to. Ayan o.
Tinan mo.
Tutunggain ko talaga to.
Ayan ang pag-toast mo, ah.
Tutunggain ko talaga to.
You like it?
Siyempre. Cookies life.
Paninindigan kita, mamahalin kita buong buo.
Hindi ko alam kung gaano kasaya si Ivan. Pero yung nakita ko nung panahon na kami po yung nagkikita para sa paghahanda nilang kasal, kitang-kita kung gaano po ka-excited si Ivan. Totoo ba, Van? Ganon din si Juliel. Kung hindi niyo po alam, si Juliel, malit na bata pa lang siya. Kasama na po namin sa church. At salamat sa Panginoon dahil ito yung pagkakataon na binigyan siya ng tamang lalaki na makakasama niya habang buhay.
Paninindigan kita,
Ang pag-aasawa ay sabihin natin punong-puno ng hamon. Punong-puno ng pagmamahal. Pag nasa honeymoon stage, wala kayong pakialam sa paligid nyo. Pag dumating yung panahon, lahat ng nasa paligid nyo nakikialam na. Nakikialam na yung biyanan, nakikialam na yung kung sino-sino. Kasi nakikita na lahat. Pero ang importante sa lahat dito, kayong dalawa. Dapat alam ninyo kung ano ang magiging bahagi ninyo sa isa't isa.
hanggang dulo. Paninindigan kita, paninindigan kita. Huwag kang mag-alala, ako'y sigurado.
As I always say, it took us 7 years to finally get to the point where we are right now. Napakadami nating atrasabante sa connection na meron tayo. But you know what, team? There really is a reason why things happen. We experience things individually, and these experiences helped us to be the best fit for each other. Kung hindi tayo nagkaroon ng chance, then ikaw ang magiging greatest what if ko. Buti na lang makapal yung mukha mo.
I will always choose our love and believe that we are greater than any obstacles that we may face. In all that happened to us, lahat ng napagdaanan natin, whether as an individual or now as a couple, alam ko na we are made for each other and that God has made this perfect timing for us.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line.
Imagine, we started with coffee and barbecue and now we're getting married. Saan mararating ang kape at barbecue mo, diba? Dito sa altar. I can't believe it. I never thought, never imagined, it never crossed my mind to marry you. Not because I don't like you, but because I like you so much. To the point na hindi sasagi sa isip kong magiging reality yung meron tayo.
It's true.
Hindi ko alam kung gaano nyo na po kakilala ang isa't isa. Hindi ko alam kung maganda lang si Jude. Hindi ko alam kung naghihilik din siya ng katulad natin mga lalaki. So, marami kang madiscover. Baka bandang huli, makalat pala sa bahay. Hindi pala marunong magluto. Lahat ng hinahanap ng lalaki sa babae, ikaw pala ang gagawa. Ban, handa mo bang gawin yung ban? Dapat may pagmamahal. Pag mahal mo ang isang tao, kaya mong gawin lahat yan.
To love you, I get to love
kung anong imperfect sa akin. And for 1 year ng relationship natin, lagi mo lang sinasabi na, perfect ako. Hindi, di ba? Pero, nasabi kong ready na ako nung finally sinabi mo na, I'm the worst, but I'm also the best. Because that moment, I know, finally someone accepted the good side and the bad side of me.
I can't believe it's true.
There are thousands of words that I can say. I can go on and write 100 more pages. Just to say how grateful I am to have you and how happy I am on what we have right now.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you.
One thing is for sure, going back to when I first saw you, somehow I already have the feeling that you are the one for me. It may took us longer to be where we are right now and to be in each other's life, but now you are the biggest part of me and part of my life that I will treasure, protect, and love unconditionally until my last breath.
I get to love you.
I need someone to choose me kahit anong mangyari. And you did. Nakita mo lahat ng pangit sa akin. Grabe ka. Hindi ka nag-give up. Today, I promise na hindi kita iiwan. Kagaya ng pagpili mo sa akin araw-araw, gagawin ko din yun sa'yo. I'll always choose you and I love you so much.
I get to love